I'm Dr. Scott Saunders, and we've formulated CinnaChroma to be a comprehensive supplement for diabetics. It contains all of the ingredients that diabetics need to control blood sugar. It has cinnamon extracts to help you be more sensitive to insulin and lower the blood sugar while you're working on your diet. It has chromium and vanadium, which are two minerals not commonly found in the diet that are necessary for good blood sugar control. It also has vitamin D and vitamin K. Vitamin D has been shown to improve blood sugar. It also has selenium, which is very important for making glutathione, which is necessary to prevent neuropathy and kidney disease. It's formulated with the right amount of each ingredient that is in the research that only requires one dose a day. So you can just take one a day with your breakfast and get all the benefits from it. This is something I take myself, and I recommend it to all my patients, even if they only have mild blood sugar problems.